transforming your space. Innovative modern basement design ideas. The basement, often regarded as an underutilized of the home, holds immense potential for transformation. With modern basement design ideas, you can breathe new life into this space, into a stylish, functional extension of your This article explores basement concepts that not only enhance the aesthetics of your property, but also improve your overall living experience. Embracing modern interiors. When considering basement ideas for your home renovation, the first step is to envision the space as an integral part of your living environment. Modern interiors emphasize clean lines, open spaces, and minimalistic decor, making them ideal for basement living. By incorporating sleek furniture, neutral color palettes, and strategic lighting, you can create an inviting atmosphere that invites relaxation and enjoyment. Innovative design for functional spaces. One of the key aspects of a successful basement transformation is innovative design. Think beyond traditional layouts. Consider open concept designs that allow for seamless transitions between areas. A modern basement can serve multiple purposes, perhaps a media room for movie nights, a home office for creative pursuits, or a cozy guest suite. By utilizing multifunctional furniture and creating distinct zones, you can maximize the utility of your basement while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing environment. Creative basements that inspire. Incorporating creativity into your basement design is essential. Consider elements such as wall murals, unique shelving units, or bold accent walls to add character and charm. Adding personal touches like artwork or family photos can make your basement feel like a true extension of your home. Additionally, integrating smart technologies such as automated lighting and sound systems can enhance both the functionality and ambience of your innovative space. The importance of natural light. Natural light plays a crucial role in any interior design, and basements are no exception. To elevate your basement living experience, think about incorporating large windows or glass doors that lead to outdoor spaces. If structural limitations exist, consider using strategically placed mirrors to reflect light and create an illusion of spaciousness. This approach not only brightens up the area, but also fosters a more uplifting and welcoming atmosphere. Home improvement through smart choices. Ultimately, investing in modern basement design is a significant home improvement that can yield lasting benefits. By opting for high-quality materials and sustainable design practices, you can ensure that your basement stands the test of time. Remember, a thoughtfully designed basement adds value to your home, increases its functionality, and enhances your lifestyle. In conclusion, transforming your basement into a modern, innovative space is an exciting opportunity to improve your home. With the right design choices, your basement can evolve into a vibrant hub of creativity and comfort, seamlessly blending style with practicality. Embrace the journey of redesigning your space and unlock the full potential of your home. When it comes to home renovation, the basement often remains an underutilized trove of potential. However, with a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of innovative design, your basement can be transformed into a stylish and functional living area. Here are some modern basement design ideas that will inspire your next home improvement project. Modern interiors thrive on open spaces that encourage flow and connectivity. By removing unnecessary walls, you can create a seamless transition between different functional areas in your basement. Whether it's a cozy lounge, a functional office, or even a mini home theater, open concept design allows for versatile basement ideas that cater to your lifestyle. Brightening up a traditionally dark area is essential in modern basement design. Opt for light-colored paint and strategic lighting choices to open up the space. Large windows or glass doors can invite natural light, making your basement feel more inviting. Consider colorful accents or creative basements that showcase your personality, enhancing the overall interior design. In today's fast-paced world, versatility is key. Design your basement to serve multiple purposes, such as a guest suite that doubles as a home gym or a game room that can also function as a cozy movie night spot. Innovative designs that incorporate smart furniture like foldable tables or convertible sofas can maximize your basement's utility while maintaining a stylish aesthetic. Elevate your basement living experience by integrating unique features that stand out. Think about adding a statement wall with artistic murals, reclaimed wood, or even a sleek bar area. Consider installing a small kitchenette for entertaining guests, or a creative workspace that inspires productivity. These thoughtful elements can contribute significantly to your home's overall appeal. In conclusion, transforming your basement into a modern, functional space is entirely achievable with the right basement ideas and innovative design. By focusing on open layouts, light, multi-functionality, unique features, and comfort, you can create a stunning living area that enhances your home improvement journey. Embrace the opportunity to redefine your space. Your dream basement awaits.